This is a 1910s Century 36-inch ceiling fan. This is hanging at my dad's house because at my mom's house the fan room is too full to put any more fans in it, and this fan has a pretty long down rod, so I put it here because this place fits this fan perfectly. Got this fan off of eBay for $110, which is a very good deal for one of these small things. The speed coil is under that cover. Everything is original except for that it's rewired, which is good. And I think this switch was put in later because it doesn't look very original, but it might be. Blades are still original, and it's very cool. Canopy is also original. So this fan has 2 speeds. It's more like 1 speed because the speed coil isn't working very well. But the pull chain has 3 speeds, so there's like 3 highs, but it's actually high, high, low. So we're going to start off with high. It's an oil bath fan, as expected. It's pretty loud, and it's pretty powerful. And here is low speed. As you can see, there's not much of a difference, but there is a slight difference. And second low speed, which is still the same thing. Still very powerful, and off. When I got the fan, the switch was broken, so I had to fix it. And it was kind of hard to fix because it's very tight inside, but I eventually fixed it. Spin down is pretty quick. And that's it for this fan. Thank you for watching. Bye.